everybody and welcome back to my channel.
Never let you go.
So in today's video I braved it and went to Primark. Obviously all the shops have reopened now and I thought I would go to Primark, see what's in so I can share it with you guys and obviously let you know what's in. Honestly, my Primark, the queues weren't bad at all. I know that yesterday, it's Tuesday today, I know that yesterday was quite bad everywhere. But truthfully, it was absolutely fine. And I'm really sorry about the lighting in the background, but we are moving, so it's just a mess. But I wanted to film this for you today, so you can see what it's in and stuff. I've seen so much stuff on TikTok, like really nice gym wear and cords and stuff. Truthfully, they didn't have that much in my Primark, any of like the cute gym sets. Not that it matters for me because I can't fit in them anyway because I am pregnant. But you know, they didn't have them in. I think it depends on the Primark and how big it is or how small it is. But I did pick up some bits that I cannot wait to show you. If this is the first time visiting, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Join our little family and our journey. And let's just get straight into the video. I spent just under £50 in Primark. I could have splashed out, but truthfully I didn't have the money. The first thing is this beautiful dress. It is I think it just comes just past your knees, I think, but it's white and black striped. I got this in a size 10 because it does have a lot of stretch in it, so this will fit over my bump. This is a try and haul as well, just so you can see the things on. Not that any of you might be pregnant or what, but you can see it on. This was literally £6, which is insane, and it's so nice. I do have a black one in this. I think I got that in a size 8 though, last year, so I don't know if that will go over my bump, but how pretty is that? And it like curves to your curves. Not sure what it looks like on, but we will see. Obviously you can't try anything on still in the shops. The next thing I got was this bodysuit. This was £6 also, and I got this in a 10 to 12 because on my top half I'm usually a 6 to 8. I'm quite petite on top, so I once again got this for the stretch to fit over the bump. This is stunning. It's really nice for like now time, so you could wear it under like a hoodie or a really nice checkered shirt or even just a jacket. Like, it's really nice, and it's high neck, but obviously this will also look nice on its own, you know.
Short of breath. Oh my god.
Obviously if it doesn't fit me underneath, it's not an issue because I will just tuck it into something, so it won't matter like if I can't button it. But I thought that was really nice. It had so many different colours in this, but I really liked this one because obviously we're in autumn, but we're coming into like summer, and I just really like the colour. So ignore the tag there and ignore the fact that I'm wearing a black bra and my maternity leggings, but this is it's a little bit see-through, but it's not. I mean, I've got my Calvin Klein bra on, and you can only just see it, so you need a nude bra or something, but it's quite cute. And the fact that when I do this it just looks stupid but obviously with like a skirt or just some like low-rise leggings, I mean this would look even cuter if you weren't pregnant, but I mean it blends in with my skin, so I look like I'm not wearing anything, but I am going to tan at some point. But yeah, I mean it's really stretchy. Like, look at all that stretch still left in it, and obviously this is stretching it already a lot, but it's quite cute. Being pregnant really limits your wardrobe, and truthfully I don't like it. I hate having my wardrobe limited to things because you don't want to show your belly, obviously. So it's basically for me t-shirts, leggings and dresses. That's it. How many people have like really cute like outfits, but I can't be bothered to spend money on maternity clothes. I've got maternity leggings because I needed them, but other than that I don't want to spend money on maternity clothes because they just get put away. Won't really use them again until like my next pregnancy, which might not ever happen, you don't know. So I've gone for like the stuff that I could wear again when I'm not pregnant. So I got this top. This was £4. I got this in a 12 to 14 because I think they look better oversized anyway. This says spread laughter. Always remember that laughter is the best medicine. I didn't really like the slogan, but it was the nicest colour there. The other slogans were weird as well. But I just like the colour of it, and obviously it will fit over bump and stuff, and you can just wear that with leggings and a top, a coat or whatever. But for £4 you can't really go wrong. And then when I'm obviously not pregnant, I could always wear it and tie it. So I actually really liked that, just not the slogan that much, but people don't really read slogans on tops. Being pregnant makes you so out of breath no matter what you do. So the new theme for our bedroom eventually, when we move, I want to do black and white. So not like black walls or anything, but just white walls with a black throw and some black cushions on the bed. And Primark had an extra large black throw. This was £12. I've not opened it, but it's so heavy and it feels so soft.
Oh my god, I can't breathe.
They had so many nice home decor. So when I move, I will 100% be going back in to pick up some home decor. Everything was so nice. But yeah, I saw this and I was like, I have to get it. I cannot pass this up. For £12, Primark throws are the best. I think the one that's on now, this grey one, even though it's a bit messy, that's a Primark one. You just can't go wrong with them. They're so nice. I know that black picks up a lot of fur and we've got dogs, but that's the theme I want to go for. So I thought I may as well get it. Next thing, this is the final item of clothing. So I didn't actually get that much clothes, but like I said, my Primark wasn't really with all the new stuff, and I can't fit in half of the stuff anyway. But I got this hoodie. I kind of wish I got a bigger size now because I like really oversized ones, but this was £7 and I got it in a 12 to 14. Just so it's oversized. I don't necessarily zip my hoodies up anyway, but I just like hoodies just to shove on when you can't be bothered, which is me most of the time right now. But yeah, I got this. They had loads of different colours. They had a really nice long one. It was like really long and it was just so nice and soft, but that was like £15 I think, and I thought, why get that when you can get this for £7? Or is that just my logic? I mean, don't get me wrong, if I had the money I probably would have gone for that other one, but this is just as good. Obviously going into Primark, being pregnant, you cannot go in without going to the baby section. So we don't know the gender of the baby. I will probably do like a drive with me and update you guys on it or something at some point. Or just a pregnancy update, because I've not really updated you on anything to do with it, just because I've been so busy packing and just not feeling myself. But anyway, so I picked up these 0 to 1 month Dumbo sleep suits. Now Dumbo is one of my favourite Disney characters. Can you see them? I'll have to get one out because they need washing anyway. These are gender neutral, which is good. So they just look like this because when it's born it doesn't have that much stuff. Now we're going gender neutral. So that is so cute. They're so tiny, but I mean these are just perfect for literally when it's born. Like, how freaking cute. But yeah, these were £7.50, and personally I think that they are so gender neutral that's unreal. Like, they are so cute. So £7.50 for 3 sleep suits, you can't really go wrong, because like sometimes you could pay £7.50 for one. Can't go into Primark without getting socks. So I got the 7 pairs of socks for £2.50. I really don't care what colour socks I get, I just pick up a pack. I always tend to go for like colourful ones for some reason, but it doesn't, you know what I mean, I just don't matter what socks I get. So I got 7 pairs for £2.50 because my socks keep going missing and I don't know why, but they just do. I have odd socks on every single day, which isn't good. And the final 2 things I got were these sunglasses. So Primark was so busy inside, and the accessory bit was ridiculously busy for some reason. But these were like as soon as you walked in, so I thought, oh, these are cute, I'll just get them. Like, how cute are they? And now that the sun is coming out, I thought I would get some cute little sunglasses. So these were super cute. These were £2. For some reason I thought that they were like reading ones then, but I don't think they are. But yeah, they just look like that. For £2. I love them. I don't have any white ones, I don't think. So they come in super cute. And then I finally picked up some earrings. What's going on there? There we go. So they just look like this. For I don't even know how much for it. It says €3, so I'm not sure if that's £3 or what. But yeah, they just look like that. And I don't know what's going on with the middle too. Primark earrings are alright, but I don't wear them all the time because obviously they make my ears go like black. I know that's disgusting. But they were just really nice. Just to do up a little outfit. I love earrings so much. I always wear these, but I really need to start wearing, like, I've got so many earrings I need to start wearing. So that is the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Let me know your experience of going to Primark, if you have been, if your Primark had some nice stuff in, if it was busy, your experience of going. Just comment it down below. Stay tuned for my journey. I will be posting more. Moving vlogs will be coming as soon as we start moving. I'm just all over the place at the minute with life. But yeah, don't worry, I will be back very soon properly. And on that note, I will see you in my next video. Bye!